In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank accounts in QuickBooks Desktop. First, open QuickBooks and sign into the correct company file where you want the new bank account to live. If you manage multiple files, double-check the file name at the top of your screen. It's also a good idea to ensure you have admin access so you can create accounts without permission issues. If you're working in a live environment, consider making a quick backup before you start, just to be safe. Next, head to the accounting area and open your chart of accounts. This is the list of every account your company uses to track money. If you don't see an accounting section in your layout, look for chart of accounts from the main menus. Different versions of QuickBooks Desktop may label the path slightly differently, but the goal is the same. Get to the chart of accounts window. Once you're in the chart of accounts, create a new account. This opens a setup window where you'll define what kind of account you're adding and how it behaves in your books. Think of this as adding a folder that will hold all transactions for that bank. When prompted for the account type, choose bank. This is the correct type for checking, savings, money market accounts, petty cash set up as a bank, and similar cash equivalent accounts. Selecting the right type ensures your reports, reconciliations, and banking workflows function properly. Now fill out the requested information. Start with a clear account name such as checking, operating, or savings. Reserve. If you use account numbers, enter the number that matches your internal chart. Add a short description if it helps your team understand the purpose of the account. For the opening balance, enter the bank's ending balance as of a specific date, usually the day before you plan to start recording new transactions in QuickBooks. Use the statement from your bank to get this exact figure and date. If your books are already up to date and you'll be importing or entering historical transactions, you can leave the opening balance blank to avoid duplicates. Just be consistent with your approach. When everything looks good, save the new account. You'll now see it listed in the chart of accounts, and you can begin using it on checks, deposits, transfers, and reconciliations. If you need to add multiple bank accounts, simply repeat the same process for each one using distinct names. Keep in mind that creating the account in your chart is separate from connecting bank feeds. You can link online banking later if that's part of your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully added a bank account in QuickBooks Desktop.